Welcome to our channel UK Visa and Immigration Updates. From the 11th of March 2024, there have been significant changes to UK immigration rules that affect the ability of care workers to bring their dependents. In this video, we will talk about how your dependents can join or stay with you in the UK if you are a care worker or senior care worker. Unless one of the exemptions below apply, the applicant must not be applying as the partner or child of a skilled worker who is sponsored for a job in the occupation code 6135 care workers and home carers, or 6136 senior care workers. If the main applicant has continuously had permission as a skilled worker, under the rules in force before the 11th of March 2024, sponsored in either or both these SOC 2010 occupation codes, 6145 or 6146, the dependent may apply. To be eligible for this exemption, the main applicant's original application date must have been before the 11th of March 2024, even if that application was granted after the 11th of March, and whether or not their dependents applied at the same time, or if the main applicant is the sole surviving parent, or has sole responsibility for the child and this is an application for permission to stay, or if the main applicant has joint responsibility for the child with another skilled worker, who is also sponsored for a job in one of the above occupation codes, and this is an application for permission to stay, or if the dependent is a child who was born in the UK, the child can apply. Examples: Migrant A has been sponsored as a care worker with their partner and child since the 10th of January 2022. Their dependents can continue to apply as such. Migrant B has been sponsored as a care worker since the 25th of November 2023, but had not applied for their partner or children. They can make an application for their dependents to join them at any time during their period of leave. Migrant C has been sponsored as a nursing auxiliary since the 10th of July 2023, but switches to being a senior care worker with an application made on the 15th of March 2024. They have a partner who has joint responsibility for their children. Their dependents will not be allowed to make applications in connection with their leave as a senior care worker. Migrant D has been a student since the 1st of September 2021, then switches to being a care worker, having completed their course, with an application made on the 1st of April 2024. They have a partner and a child which Migrant D has sole responsibility for. Their dependent partner cannot make any application, and would have to apply for permission in their own right. Their dependent child could make an application for permission to stay in connection with their leave as a care worker. Migrant E has been sponsored as a care worker since the 1st of June 2023, but switches to being a senior care worker with an application made on the 25th of March 2024. Their dependents can make an application. Migrant F switches from being the dependent partner of a student to being a senior care worker with an application made on the 10th of March 2024. Their partner can apply as their dependent, subject to course completion requirements. Migrant G and their partner Migrant H switched to being care workers on the 8th of October 2024. If their children are applying for permission to stay, or were born in the UK, they can make an application. They will not be able to apply for entry clearance. Switching. If you are in the UK and applying to switch status as a dependent, you cannot do so if your current or most recent permission to stay was granted under any of the following routes: as a visitor, as a short-term student, as a parent of a child student, as a seasonal worker, as a domestic worker in a private household. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.